Good morning, friends. My name is Anup Nigam. I'm a technical analyst. In the previous videos, we tried to understand about the option structures and option terminologies. Now we'll try to understand how do we develop strategies in option market. The first strategy is long call option. Long call is essentially traded by aggressive investors who are very bullish about the prospects for a stock or index. Buying calls can be an excellent way to capture the upside potential with limited downside risk. So when we buy a call, it means we are bullish on the stock or index and we expect the underlying stock or index to rise in the future. Now, when to use this strategy? This strategy is used when we are bullish on the stock or index. The risk is limited to the option premium only, but the reward is unlimited. Now, the break-even point can be calculated by adding strike price and the premium. Now consider we buy the call option of stock X of strike price 2250. So whenever we buy the call option, we are likely to sell it at a future date at an unknown price. So when we buy the call option, it refers to as long call. Now if the spot price goes above the strike price, we make the profit. But if the spot price remains below the strike price, we make the loss. Now let us try to understand this with the help of an example. So if the spot price of stock X is trading at 4191.10 and we buy a call option of strike price 4600 of stock X at a premium of 36.35. So if the spot price of stock X goes above 4636.35, we make the profit. But if the spot price of stock X stays at or falls below 4600, we are likely to make the loss. Now in this scenario, we will not exercise the option and we'll let it expire worthless. The maximum loss is of the option premium. So let us try to understand this with the help of this table. So the strategy name is buy call option. This is also called long call option. So if the spot price of stock X is at 4191.10 and we buy the call option of strike price 4600 at a premium of 36.35, so the break even would be strike price plus premium. That means 4636.35. Now let us try to understand the long call payoff. Now as we know that we have bought the call option of strike price 4600 at a premium of 36.35. So if at the time of expiry the spot price of stock X closes at 4100, we will make the loss of 36.35. If it closes at 4300, then we make the loss of 36.35. If it closes at 4500, we make the loss of 36.35. But if it closes at 4636.35, which is the break even point, then we make no profit, no loss. The moment it starts trading above the break even point, we start making the profit. So if the spot price closes at 4700, we make the profit of 63.65. If it closes at 4900, we make the profit of 263.65. If it closes at 5100, we make the profit of 463.65. And if it closes at 5300, we make the profit of 663.65. So from this table, we can evaluate that a loss is limited to the option premium only, whereas the reward is unlimited. Now let us try to understand this with the help of the graph. So if we buy the call option of strike price 4600 and if the spot price starts moving above the strike price, our reward is unlimited, whereas the risk is limited to the option premium. So guys, in this video we have tried to understand how do we calculate the payoff for long call strategy. So if you think that this video is informative, then please like this video, subscribe my channel and share this video to as many traders as you can. Thank you. Dhanyavad.